much you paying, babes?
I'm just gonna do 4 hours just to be safe. $2 an hour.
Oh, okay, so $8.
Maybe 3 is enough.
Yeah, it's fine. 4 hours is okay. It's only $2.
We won't be here now.
Okay guys, good morning, good morning. We're here right now at the pier in Petersburg, Tampa. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead walk around with my mother-in-law, and my husband's just done paying some parking meter. It's about $2 an hour, so that's not bad, and he put it in like 4 hours, so we're going to be here for a while. Okay, so welcome to Travel and Taste. We're gonna be going walk around in pier in Tampa, Pittsburgh, or Pittsburgh, Tampa. So guys, there's a pelican right there, if you can see it. Ayan ho ang view, ayan ho ang view. Pag kayo ho nakaupo dito, kayo po ay nakaupo, you're sitting here and you're watching the view of the sunset and sunrise right there guys. Ayan ho, di pa ho napakaganda, super ganda ho. Ayan, so maglalakad ho kami doon sa pier na yon. Yan yung area, yung building na yon, 2-story or 3-story. I'll probably check it out what's inside of that. Nakikita nyo naman marami na hong naglalakad mula doon. So I'm going to ask my husband to walk with me there, because just to check it out, the place. Okay, those are the high-rise in downtown Pittsburgh. There's a lot of yachts in there and more high-rise. Ito yung the other side. This is like on the other side. And we're gonna still heading back right there. That's downtown Tampa guys, downtown Tampa. So what's that big building in there right now?
That is an old historic hotel. Been there a very long time. It's pricey. I'll look up the name of it. I can't remember the name of it right now. But this is the northeast quadrant of St. Petersburg. There's a lot of yachts here, a lot of nice newer buildings combined with a lot of nice older historic buildings. A lot of people throwing yachts. This is a wealthy area of the city right off of the pier. Nice fishing here in this area.
So if you are here in St. Petersburg and Tampa, so this is one of the places that you can do. Just walk around and leisure walk and have the view of this place. So stress reliever, guys. Nice to be walk around here. So they do a lot of walking, bicycle. Still mom and my husband.
That's a really nice place to go if you like artwork.
Oh,
The Gallery Museum right there, that's another thing you can do. It's great.
A big open area here. That would be too big for you.
Right. See, at night, I could see why this.
and how many is this? All Nitopia 2020, 1981. How big it is? This organic form is representative of hollow rock and wild waters. Okay guys, that's what it look like. Okay, all of this guys, all of this is just opened recently, but it's basically July. They opened all this area, recreation area for the publics. Pittsburgh, Tampa, Pittsburgh, and Florida. So they have splash pad here, of course, and they have some ice cream area. You can sit down in here and watch your kids playing. And they also have restaurants, playground, family park, and I probably have seasonal Perry here pretty soon. And there's their beach area here. That's their beach area right there, guys. And there's also a picnic area. So this is like all brand new, guys. They just opened it, as I said, July. It's Stone Fart Pizza, guys. You can order here. So we're just gonna order some salad and eggplant fries. So I don't know what's it taste. So if you guys get hungry walking around and have a leisure walk, make it the day. There's another snacks that you can stop by.
Salad and eggplant fries.
Yes. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Well, I'll start eating my salad. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. They're enjoying the party.